Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to take your V-part wig from this to this with absolutely no leave out. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. The hair that I'll be using today is from AliPearl, and this is their 20-inch water wave V-part unit. I love the texture and how full this hair is, and I also love that it comes with so much security, so you definitely don't have to worry about it going anywhere. They have 5 clips in the front, clips in the back, and it also has adjustable straps on the side. And check out my description box for more details and a discount code for this wig. So to start this style off, I had already braided my hair a couple days ago. So this is my braid pattern, nothing too fancy. You actually don't have to braid your hair down. You can just put it in like a ponytail if you don't have like really long hair. But I feel like braids is the best option for like a nice sleek install. So before putting on the wig, you just want to go ahead and make sure all of your clips are open. So I'm just going through and just kind of bending them back to open them up. And I went ahead and clipped down the one in the middle first because I wanted to make sure that the wig was sitting in a good spot. And when you're lining it up, you just want to make sure that it doesn't go past your hairline. So you want it to sit like right at the front of it. And once you get everything nice and lined up, we're going to go ahead and begin snapping the clips in place. And when you get to this stuff, you just want to make sure that you leave a little room between the clip-ins and your part, because this is the area where we're going to make everything just look really natural and seamless. Alright, so this is how we're looking so far now that the clips are nice and snapped into place. Next, I'll be using this crochet hook that you can find at a beauty supply store, or you can also order it from Amazon. They're usually only about $2 or $3. So this next step, I'm going to kind of show you guys 2 different ways that you can do this. On this side, I'll show you guys a curly hair method, and on the other side, I'll show you guys a straight hair method. So what I'm doing right now is just taking like a small section of the hair right underneath where this track starts, and then I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna tease the hair a little bit just to get it a little frizzy so that we can really hide the track. And after that, you're gonna take your crochet hook and put it underneath your hair. You want to make sure it kind of lines up to the area where you pull the piece of hair from the wig. And you're just gonna put the hair inside of the hook, close it up, and pull it through your hair. And then after that, you're just gonna take that little piece and just kind of throw it over the track. And then we're just going to repeat this same step. We're going to do different sections until the area starts to fill in. Alright, so here's how everything is looking so far. As you guys can see, we got everything nice and crocheted in, and you know you're pretty much done with that section when the track starts to disappear. So I really love this method because it's like it gives you the feel of having leave out without having to like damage your hair or worry about your hair matching the texture of the wig or anything like that. So now to make it even more natural looking, we're going to take sections of the hair, and I'm going to take my rat tail comb again, and I'm just going to tease it a little bit and kind of push the hair forward. So you're going to push the hair forward like towards your face. And I like to just use my fingers and just kind of play around with the hair a little bit. Because of the texture of this hair, it doesn't really have to be perfect. So I feel like this method is best on curly hair. Like I said, I'm going to try to show an example of maybe how it can work with straight hair as well. But just in my opinion, I think it works best on like curly or textured hair. So this is how we are looking so far. And y'all, It's really giving scalp. It's really giving hair is literally growing from my scalp. So as with most wigs and, you know, like lace closures and everything like that, it's not going to be 100%, you know, undetectable, but I definitely think that this is a good illusion and a good alternative to like not having to damage your hair or have to worry about your hair blending with your wigs. So now I'm going to show you guys a method that you can use if you're doing it with straight hair. So for this side, instead of taking the sections of hair and teasing it, I just took the section of hair and just crocheted it right underneath mine. So I skipped the step where I teased the hair. And this is just to give it like a more sleek look. And now that I'm done crocheting everything in, I'm gonna go ahead and take my sections and tease it just a little bit, just to kind of hide the parts where I crocheted at, but I'm not teasing it as much as I did the other side. So just enough to where you kind of hide your sections that you used to crochet the hair in. Alright y'all, so that is it. I just played around with the hair just a little more, but as you can see, that part looks so good. It looks so natural. I definitely will be using this method again. This was my first time trying this and I just think that it turned out so nicely. I saw a couple people trying this method on TikTok and here on YouTube, so I was like, let me give it a try. So I definitely will be doing this method from now on whenever I have like a V-part or U-part wig. So yeah, I feel like this method is perfect if you do not want to be bothered with leave out, you don't want to wear a lace closure or anything like that. And again, this hair is from AliPearl. This is their 20-inch water wave hair. I love this hair so much. I've been looking for me a good water wave wig and I have definitely found it. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'll have all of the information in my description box along with the discount code for you guys to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions about this install or any questions about the process, don't hesitate to leave them below. Also, don't forget to check out AliPearl. I'll have all of their information in my description box along with the discount code. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.